Well, hello again. It's actually the same day, but it's a new video. And today, like I said, the same day. In this video, we're going to take the Hackle scraps from the Hackle blending of my Magenta and black bats. We're gonna blend them together. And I'm gonna add an absolute stupid amount of sparkle while I do it. So that's gonna be fun. And we're gonna brush that out so that it packs down. And I'm just gonna start by adding some layers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in some purple, and that's about all we're gonna do for the purple, because that'll add some interesting depth to this fiber. Get that nice and layered. We'll pack it down. I'm not too concerned with how this part is layering out, because eventually I'm going to pull it back up and mix and blend it even further. So we're going to add an absolute stupid amount of sparkle, because we have it. And I kind of like to try to use stuff up that I got. Well, that's the goal anyway. But being indecisive on how to use said materials, well, that's another challenge entirely. But I do like to add in a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna try to use up for projects what I got. We have some more gold hollow. I'll just add in a little bit of the entire amount, and that'll be good. This is a very small amount of fiber, and that is a lot of sparkle, but it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. So we're gonna add in and pack it down some, and then I'm gonna do something that's gonna be absolutely like wow. I pulled out some of this green. Now this is pretty bright. We're gonna add 8 small amounts of it. Only about that much. Because that'll be actually really interesting. I want to see what it does. This fiber's tickling my nose. That might have been a little too much green, but I think it'll be just fine. Because what we're gonna do here, after I pull up all of this. And I think the way that I'm kind of doing it is, when I first started getting into the spinning, I didn't have like a blending board or really any sort of way to blend together fiber, but I did have some fiber that I wanted to mix. And so I've seen it happen where you literally just hold the fiber together and you kind of just tear it into strips and hold that and tear that into strips, and it doesn't get it completely even, but it does look pretty cool. And I'm just gonna do is now, since we got it a little bit more cone similar fashion, this will draft onto the board a little better. And you can see all of that amazing sparkle. Now, I do want to add here is some of this really awesome printer green. So I'm just going to take it and slowly add little bits here, not big clumps, but just little bits, because I might not want to blend this any further than what I have done. And that should be good, because I'll probably add, say, another layer. But that'll anchor it down quite nicely. And so there you have it. Some crazy, super sparkly Rolags. Yep. These will probably get spin up on one of my spindles, or we'll see. We'll see how the wheel situation's going. But again, as always, I want to thank y'all for being here, and go have fun and go make something sparkle today. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.